Cube.
This is my new Suunto. This is my dream watch. This is it. Suunto all black core. And this is my watch. This is the box. And this is the customer support card of my Suunto. This is my manual. The Suunto Core quick guide. This is the Suunto Core user guide, maintenance and warranty. Pakitero yan Okay. It's my Suunto. It's a brand new Suunto. Oh, very hard to open. It's my brand new Suunto. This is it. See how open I this one. And this up. This is there's a wow. This is it. Oh, it's very hard to open it. Look like that and look like that, and this is our and the last but not the least, the front cover. This is it. And I don't know if there's a battery. That's all, folks. Lights. The light. A barrel. Keep level. This is the limiter. This is it. My Suunto.
Okay.
Okay.